And this is what we have. How's it, my Orchids and Fynbos friends? So I ended up doing a Black Friday orchid haul. There were a few things I couldn't help but add to my collection. So without any further ado, let's jump straight into the unboxing. So the wild orchid videos will be coming out shortly. I've just been busy editing, end of year and things like that. But you will be seeing those shortly. We've gone to quite a few locations in the last couple of months. So I'm very excited to show you guys what's in flower at the moment in the wild. I think I've managed to see at least 6 species I haven't seen in the wild before. So really excited for those videos. And this is what we have. So I ordered 3 species and 1 primary hybrid. So this orchid haul was through Cattleya Orchids. In case you're wondering what this is, it's the Orchids of South Africa journal. So I get 2 of those a quarter with, 2 of those a year with the Orchid Club. So the first orchid is a little bit new to me. I have 1 of these already, so this is my second one of these orchids. This is a Cynorkis fastigiata. So this is a terrestrial species. I am trying to increase my my terrestrial species collection. Can't remember offhand, but I think this might be an African species. But yeah, really enjoying the terrestrials. What I really would like to get my hands on are some of our local terrestrial species, but they are very, very hard to come by in nurseries and things like that. So I'm hoping to try and find some Satyriums and things like that, but I never seem to find them with the growers. Obviously you can collect them from the wild, but that's not the point. I don't believe in wild collection. I already have the Cynorkis, I think, angustipetala. I don't know if I'm pronouncing this right. This is Cattleya cernua. Beautiful bright red star-shaped flowers. I think this was originally in the Sophronides group. I'm not 100% sure. But yeah, it looks similar to those types of flowers. I used to have a Cattleya chester, which has a Sophronides in its parentage. So that was actually the reason that I got this. Again, I just looked at the flowers and I loved what they look like. So, and it reminded me of the Cattleya chester, which I unfortunately don't have anymore. So yeah, so that was the reason behind that purchase. The next one, I actually want to cry because this is mounted, but anyways, I do love mounted orchids, but they're so difficult to look after and keep alive. I'll show you what I've done with my other ones. This is the Leptotes unicolor. Many of you will know the Leptotes bicolor. I saw this one for sale, so obviously grabbed that. What I currently do with my mounted orchids, I don't put them in the greenhouse. It's just too harsh for them because I can't water them enough. So I have them in this little tray over here with sphagnum moss, and it's got perlite at the bottom, which keeps it basically like a humidity tray. They seem to be doing okay. I actually have 1 or 2 that are starting to bud. This one's starting to send out new roots, so we'll see how this goes. This is a newer way that I've been looking at keeping them because I haven't done well with them in the past, so we'll see how that goes. But yeah, really happy to have this Leptotes. I want to take it off the mount, but we'll see what happens. Maybe I'll put it on that humidity tray. Last one is bare root. So from mounted to bare root. Now this one was just fine. I was expecting this one to be bare root, so that's fine. I have to make a plan with it. So this is the Vanda green light. It's a Vanda vietnamica by Vanda falcata cross. If I can remember offhand, I'll put a description below. I've seen a number of growers with I think it's vietnamica, but it could be vietnamensis. I can't remember offhand. But I absolutely love the flowers. Okay, I just checked now. It's Vanda vietnamica is the one that I was referring to, so I was correct. It has beautiful yellow to lime green flowers with a pure white lip, which I really like. That's the vietnamica, that's the parent of this orchid. This is crossed with Vanda falcata. Not as pretty as that species, but I'm going to get my hand on that species. So I went with one of the progeny of that one. Very happy still. I always love Vanda falcatas. If you do want to see more of the Vanda vietnamica I'm talking about, one of the growers I specifically know that grows it is Nicole Diana, so you can check out her YouTube channel. She grows quite a number of really cool orchids as well. But yeah, so that's the collection. Thank you for watching this, guys. If you enjoyed it, please hit the like button and please subscribe for more content such as this. And again, stay tuned for the wild orchid videos to come out shortly. Keep well and stay safe. Bye.